Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an exciting topic to discuss that will make all you college students' lives a whole lot easier. We're diving deep into the world of activity-based accounting assignment help. If you've ever struggled with activity-based costing, cost allocation, or any other aspect of this subject, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing expert tips and tricks to help you ace your activity-based accounting assignments effortlessly. So, let's get started. Hey there, accounting enthusiasts! Welcome to another jam-packed video filled with knowledge bombs and tips to level up your accounting skills. Today, we're focusing on activity-based accounting assignments. Now, I know this topic can be a real pain, but fear not. I have gathered some amazing strategies and techniques that will make your life so much easier when it comes to tackling those assignments. Whether you're a freshman struggling to understand the basics or a senior looking to refine your skills, this video will be your ultimate guide to success. To start off, let's delve into the basics of activity-based accounting. We'll explore the concepts of cost allocation, overhead costs, and how activities are linked to outcomes and costs. Understanding these key principles is crucial for building a strong foundation in activity-based accounting. With clear explanations and relatable examples, you'll be able to grasp these concepts with ease. Next up, we'll zoom in on the important distinction between direct and indirect costs. Identifying and categorizing these costs correctly is essential for a comprehensive activity-based accounting assignment. Don't worry, I'll break down the complexities and provide simple strategies to determine direct labor costs, direct expenses, and other cost components. You'll be a pro at distinguishing between these two types of costs in no time. The infamous overhead costs. They can be puzzling, but fear not, my friends. In this section, I'll guide you through the process of calculating and allocating overhead costs accurately. From determining the rate to applying it to relevant activities, you'll gain in-depth knowledge and practical techniques to ace this aspect. After watching this section, overhead costs will no longer be a menace, but a conquerable challenge. Here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for, a treasure trove of tips and tricks to help you create a stellar activity-based accounting assignment. I'll share my personal checklist that includes everything from conducting thorough research to analyzing case studies and scenarios. With this comprehensive guide, you'll be able to impress your professors with well-crafted and insightful assignments. Say goodbye to last-minute stress and hello to top-notch grades. And there you have it, my fellow accounting enthusiasts, your ultimate guide to acing your activity-based accounting assignments. I hope you found this video helpful and that it gave you the confidence to tackle any activity-based accounting assignment that comes your way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to put these tips into action. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and stay awesome.